Hey guys, welcome back to Winning Brains. Today I'm going to show you how to solve a mirror windmill cube just like a 3 by 3. Okay, so most of you wondering what a windmill mirror cube is. It looks something like this, which is a shape shifting puzzle, which is kind of a modified 2 by 3 by 3 I say. So let's quickly solve this, and once I'll show it to you after it's solved. Okay, so there you go. This is how it looks after getting solved. But today's video is gonna be interesting because I'm gonna teach you how to solve the mirror windmill cube, something like the 3 by 3. Okay, because both of them look really different and are different also. And so let's get straight in the video. Now, just like a 3 by 3, we see we have to start with the first layer at once. Okay, and so now here I see there's all the centers, but there are only two centers which are flat. Okay, so it's this one and this one over here. And when you see this one, you see that they are not exactly flat. They are flat, but they are kind of slopy. So first we get the higher flat one. So let's assume that's our white. Okay, so if we were on a regular 3 by 3, it would not matter that what kind of edge comes this way, like this. If we do this, also the orange would be the same. It's also right, all these are right. But when you take a windmill cube, that's actually no. So you have to observe what's there in the other piece and then do it. Okay, so I first find for an edge. Okay, so this one is the edge because it can connect with white easily, like both are on the same layer, you can see. And so this one would be correct, like this, but we see that this one's sloping the other way. Okay, so then what we do, we can just turn this one in a way that when we get this like this, they match. Okay, so this is how a solved edge is gonna look like, the first one. And we have to do the same thing with all the one. So first we go to the next one. I find this one over here, I get that on top. While getting, I see one more over here. Okay, so now what we do, we get it aside. First make it to the right layer, like this way. We see both are connecting. Just get it on top and connect it to the white. Okay, and then once we search for another one, I see one's over here. Remove it on the top layer and get this down, connect it in a way like this, and then insert, and then get this back over here. And lastly, the last one, we find it, and it's over here itself. So what we do, we get this on the top layer, move it aside, connect it the right way, put it in, and get this back on top. Okay, so till here it was an easy part because there was nothing much to be learned for this. But now comes the same like 3 by 3 part. So here what we have to do, we have to do normal F12. Okay, normal F12. And the best thing is that any corner can go with any edge belonging to this slot. Okay, so these four slots, any edge can be connected to any other corner. Okay, so you would see that these two, okay, so these two are actually in a slot position already. But I see you can get this edge instead of this edge, or you can get this corner over here and get this one there. It does not matter because all are going to be the same. Okay, so like a regular 3 by 3, if it was, it would be something like this kind of a case over here. So for if it was on a 3 by 3, we would first remove that edge and get it at the back, then again insert it like this. Okay, so here also we do the same thing. We remove it and then insert it. The best thing is that we can insert it literally anywhere over here with the right layer. So I just get it over here, then I see these two. What I do, I just do normal F12, advanced F12, and just connect and insert them, quite easy. And these two, then I see. The best thing solving a mirror windmill cube is that there is no PLL in this. Okay, So we just have to do cross F12 and then OLL. That's it. There's no PLL. So here I see the last one. I just insert and there you go. So F12 is also done. Now much of the cube is done. We have very less left, and then I'll just catch up with the 3x3. So when you see this one, we can see that this case is very familiar in a 3x3. If you see, I'll just get the case for you. Yeah, this. So you see that these two look the same. So now what we do, we make this face towards us, the headlights towards us, and then just do the same algorithm which we do for this. Like I do this algorithm to solve, and the cube is solved. But you can do any other algorithm, like the one which people use for mirror cube, like keep this at the side and then do RU2 R prime U prime RU prime R prime, or and then same from the left side to solve it, or literally anything else. And if you know how to solve a 3x3, this is quite easy. I didn't require any tutorial. Like I got it at night around 7 to 8 o'clock, and the next morning around 7 o'clock I was able to solve it without anyone's help. And so I think it's a really fun and interesting cube to solve, because it's fun, because its shape shifting is really good, because it's like 45-degree tilted like the 3x3, and it's easy because there is no PLL in this. So whatever J perm, T perm, F perm, any perm you do, it does not matter in this. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If yes, then don't forget to like it, and if you haven't already subscribed to Winning Brains, make sure you do that. Drop a comment in the comment section below. You can DM me on Instagram if you have any doubts or want to talk to me or feature in the next video. And until then, be bye.